Uba Prestun Tensong sembut Menteri Rangba ka Jela. Bat Menteri beripet ya katanat PWD Roads bat kiwei. Hakalai po tarik unai wing arjar apolai. Ulah yar jurip ika surok ranikor nong jeri. Mai sekolah syabak mara. Ban penti kena bakadai ban longkat kum gajingmang ke balabu. Herai ka jing jurip ulala penban baki don kibenta. Baka National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited nika NHIDCL. Kelasna hakadur jengka single lane. Ome ka two lane. Badia kene lalap hakibenta basa siliang jengka jingking bor basing. Shalat alik wareng. Kabron kumba saulan kilometer AA. Habakran syakilap thai kubor ba prestun tensong ulapan pau. Bahaka jingpe juu kanika surok kabron kumba kilometer AA. Don kibenta baka i hakadur jengka single lane. Kumta hakanika sngi ulap tha iki officer jengka tanat NHIDCL. Baki day ban shimkea ban penbiang halor kanika surok bakam day ban no siliang hari kide ban tre kumbalap tha hakadur jengka tulin. Hakabay day baka surok na pangdiloñ kabayay syadu ranikor ba prestun ulong bayakane on sabaha aka phase 2 bat on sapa ki bor badik ni bor badik page bani pendap sega details project report ni ka DPR.
Will not be able to, will not touch even a single houses. Because they have taken the measurement, everything. And there is no objection. Gitu, siwan eh. Siwan eh. Use any encroachment only. Yeah. Because since the land it belongs to India, you will just hand over. Then you can just go with this only, because even with this, with this existing one, the grade is good enough. Or what do you say? Yes. I think the grade is good enough. Because sometimes head office, they will see only from the writing, theory.
We will try because now land is there. I never knew that land is with us.
Yeah, land is already there. This land is already with the
all this document with this we have, and then we can take the documents.
I'll give you a copy of this today, sir. Okay.
Since we have already, since the land is already there, why not we convert it to double? Because really it looks very bad. Actually, from there, the moment you cross the bridge, then when I reached here, I saw what is this? Is it single lane or double lane? Di atai gas ga bejing he jungka kedon kebentar bolong intermediate don ke baih ke bolong single lane. Dengan discuss bagi official jungka NHIDCL dia ke bang ya take of yang ke bentar nuk le malak nuk ke bolong double lane. Bolong le ketis ke bang adin jungka south kita. Dengan on page kita tadi yang lawan lak di official jungka NHIDCL. Ke gini iski hendak bisa take of ini isu bakir pun lah siapa head office joki bakir le nang ini kita le dapat double lane. Kabadai na po Diloi na plang Diloi ka wakaji plang Diloi hadu piliran ko katu menta ketika second phase hakaba ni engage mata yaki konsultan kile ya ka detail alignment nama ka alignment mata kan don ke jingkela ka ni hakaba ke selek kan alignment pat hadin jo mata kinsinai ka DPR hadin ka approve pada nang pen ko deli ya kan alignment tengok kisah nasi kan supaya tambah ke second phase lah kena kan kaju kan ya kaju ke intermediate lane kumaka long na nong stoy adu hawa kaji dan hawa kaji hablang diroin batang niru kam deka intermediate lane